Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this Ferroli Modena 32HE is a condensing boiler. And they've got an A01 flashing. That means there's an ignition issue on it. And that means they've got no hot water and heating. We're gonna diagnose it and repair it, and I'll be sharing that with you in this video. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right guys, we've pressed the reset button and we're just gonna go through the purge process, and then we're going to see what's going on with this boiler. Guys, what the boiler was doing is going through ignition process 3 times and then going into lockout. I could hear the sparks on it, and I also took the spark electrodes out to check them, and they seemed fine. So the spark electrodes were fine. I got my manometer and connected that to the gas supply inlet pressure test point. Pressurized the gas supply to the boiler, and then I closed the isolation valve, and then went through the ignition process again. So when it was going through the ignition process, the pressure on the manometer was going down very slowly. So I presumed that the gas valve was opening, but it's just not opening fully. So I felt like, it's a lazy gas valve. So I might need to change that. Now what the customer told me is he was getting an intermittent fault on his boiler. He would fire up in a few days, and then one time in a day, right, it wouldn't fire up. So it was an intermittent fault on it. Anyway, I done the test again, and on the third attempt, it just fired up. So anyway, I think it was a lazy gas valve. It started working, I switched it on and off a few times, and it worked fine. So I came to a conclusion: it's a lazy gas valve. If it works, it might carry on working for years to come. Otherwise, I'll have to come back and just change the gas valve for them. Can you come on video?
No, I'm right.
No. Listen guys, just came down, had a look at that, got it going from, it's fired up. I was testing the gas valve on it, but eventually the gas valve opened up and it started working. So we just, I think there's a problem with the intermittent gas valve on this, lazy gas valve we call it. So I might have to come back in a couple of days and change the gas valve on it. But if it works, it might carry on working for years, we don't know. If they call me back, I'll come back and change the gas valve, otherwise for now it's working. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Right guys, guess what? I had to come back, and it wasn't a few days later, it was like a few weeks later, but I still had to come back. Anyway, I bought a new gas valve with me. I'm gonna fit that in. Hopefully it's all gonna be working fine after that. Now to change the gas valve on this boiler, it's very simple. All you gotta do is isolate the gas isolation valve underneath the boiler, open the 2 screws, and there's just 2 nuts to the gas valve, inlet and outlet, and the electrical supply, and that's what it is.
also know for next time, which valve was it that needs replacing?
Got a gas valve.
Gas valve.
Right guys, the old gas valve's out and the new one's gone in. Just gonna align it up, put some new washers in, fiber washers in, secure the nuts. We're then gonna do all our gas safety checks on it. And once we've done that, we're just gonna test it out. Right.
Turn it off?
Yeah, that's it. That's sorted. Guys, if you got a broken down boiler in Birmingham Solihull or the surrounding area, don't worry, we'll fix it. We repair all your favorite boilers from Baxi, Vaillant, wocesterbosch, Biasi and Ideal, domestic and commercial, tank systems, Y-plan, S-plan. We also repair Glade boiler mate, storage tanks. We do boiler service and landlord gas safety certificates. So don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Do you want to come off film? Still no?
No, fine.
Right guys, damn. Right guys, came here a couple of weeks ago. The gas valve was a bit lazy gas valve. But I got it going for him last time and I thought I might carry on going for a while. But unfortunately it lasted about a couple of weeks and it's gone again. So I've changed the gas valve on it and it's all working fine now. Hope you enjoyed the video and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Birmingham, boiler, peace. Go on, laugh. Right guys, I've just done the gas valve, the Ferroli gas valve. I came here a couple of weeks ago. I was doing, with the inlet pressure, of filling that up with gas and then closing the valve and checking if the gas valve was opening. I've done that a few times and next thing you know, the gas valve opened and started working. And I thought it was a lazy gas valve. So it might carry on working for years to come or it might break down, but whatever happens, let's leave it for now and let's see what happens. After about 2 weeks, they phoned me back and go, no, it's gone now. I need your ASAP right now. I want you now. So I went down I'll just come down today. I've done the test again just in case it's something else, the sparks are not working. I don't want to just change the gas valve and then you find out, damn, it was a sparky that wasn't sparking and the gas valve was still working. So I've done my basic tests and it was the gas valve. So I've changed the gas valve and it's working fine now. I hope you enjoyed the video and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe.